Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal here. Today I'm going to teach you I'm going to give you a review about a dash cam that I just ordered a couple of days ago and I just received before 3 days. And I told you earlier that I'm going to set up this camera and I will give a detailed review about this camera. This is a car dash cam. Basically you can see, and I installed here. If you can see here, this is the car dash cam that I installed. This is the basic version. Because always if you see the dash cam on the websites, you will find same like this shape on the internet. Okay, there is a one cam in the front and one cam is the rear side that will record outside of the car. This cam will record inside of the car, and this will record video with the voice. And this is a front camera is cable that you can disconnect anytime. So come to the box that I received. If you will order a dash cam, maybe you will find another box, because this is a basic version and there are different sellers and different companies are selling this car dash cam. So I received in this box. That box was quite fine. I don't think there's an issue with the box. Not damage from anywhere, and there was nothing inside, only one camera and one car adapter and one catalog, small user manual. Okay, so come to the key features of this camera that I'm going to show you. The key features are, this is a 1080 pixel video recording, okay, with the voice and audio, 1080 pixels. Okay, one thing main I am going to tell you that about the storage. It's written here 128 GB supported, but I tried many times 128 GB. This camera didn't support 128 GB. I insert inside 32 GB memory, but I think you can use up to 64 GB memory card for video recordings, as it is 1080 pixels recording, so that's why it's take a little bit more space in your memory card. Second thing, this is wide angle recording. Okay, that is very important. You can use it for your social media or YouTube if you want to make recording, and this is very useful for long drive where you are traveling around. This will record all your pleasant scenery scenes outside that you can use for your social media profiles. What is the pros of this camera and what is the cons? That's what I am going to teach you. The pros is, this is very low budget camera, because I bought it $10. Yeah, 9 point something dollars, and from AliExpress. This is very cheap. I think this is the pros. Second thing, 1080 pixel recording with voice, front and rear, inside car or outside car, both record at the same time simultaneously. And the third thing is that, guys, this is with microphone built in. Okay, it will record your voice also with the sound, with the video. Okay, this is the pros of this camera. What is the cons of this camera? That is that the cable came with the camera. This dash cam cable is very low quality. Okay, I don't think this will handle the temperature more than 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, so the cable is very low quality, so you can buy it cable also. It's available in the market. And the second thing is the front camera and rear camera, with the heat of sun, it can be damaged, or there is no battery inside also. This is a con. When you turn off your car, the camera will turn off automatically. This is the one con, bad thing I didn't like. This is not a camera, because it's low budget camera, low price, and nothing else. This is very useful for if you are a beginner, you are using first time dash cam. This is the basic version. You can try this anytime. And if you have any other question regarding car dash cam, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.